Hello there, how are you doing today? Awesome. And what brings you in today? Too much cookies? Okay, sounds like you might need a teeth cleaning. We recommend getting teeth cleanings about every 6 months, okay? Alright, so I'm just going to add this to my notes for teeth cleaning, okay? And we're going to get ready to get started, okay? Awesome. Alright, I'm going to put on some gloves. Are you a little nervous today? It's okay, don't be. Teeth cleaning will not be painful, okay?
Well, I'm just a kid. It is painful for kids.
Oh, it will be okay. Alright, I'm going to first put this cool. This is just so that nothing, if you do get a little messy, your shirt stays protected. Ticklish, huh? Just want to put that in there, okay? Lift up your chin, please. Okay. So, in case you drip a little slobber today. Okay. All right. We're going to get ready to get started. Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
Okay. I have 2 flavors here. Strawberry or chocolate.
Strawberry, please.
Okay. I'm going to also check inside your mouth. So can you open nice and wide, please? Just a mirror is going to go inside your mouth just to check your teeth. Ah, nice and wide, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'm just going to have you open wide. I'm going to tap your teeth and tell me if you feel any pain, okay? Just feel like that.
Ow!
Oh no! Was it this tooth? Okay, looks like we have a little bit built up plaque. So I'm going to take care of that today during the teeth cleaning, okay? All right. We're about to get started. Here we go. All right, we're going to do a little bit of scraping of the plaque. Plaque is like built up dirt that can form around your teeth or on your teeth. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, let me put some water. Drain out those teeth. Open nice and wide. Okay, let's get back to doing some little bit more scraping. Nice and good. Okay, now we're gonna have you gargle. Okay. All right, sit up, please, for me. Oh, that's okay if that fell down. Go ahead and gargle for me and swish around. Here you go. You can hold it. That's fine. Good. Do me a swish. Swish, swish, swish. Gargle real good to get anything left over out of your mouth. And then when you're ready, you can spit inside the cup and I will take that from you. Okay? You did a really good job. And we have one more step to do once you're done, okay? One more step. Good.
That was burning.
The last step, do you know what we're going to do? The last thing? That's right, we have to floss to get things from out of our teeth. That's in between. Do you floss? No? Okay, well, try to make it a habit of flossing, okay? I'm just gonna stick this between my 2 fingers. And guess what I do sometimes? I keep floss in my purse and I bring it with me as I travel. So you're gonna open wide and I'm gonna go ahead and give you a floss. Tooth, okay? That way, anything left over, we get that out, okay? You did an awesome job here today at the dentist. Good job. At the dentist. A1 plus. I'm going to heist your chair back up for you so you can sit up. Okay, ready? Good job. Do you have any questions for me?
Yeah.
Yes, what is your question that you have?
Why didn't you brush my teeth? It's People's Day. It's really important.
Brushing teeth is important, but the dentist doesn't usually brush your teeth. You have to do that yourself. But we are here to clean your teeth. That way that sometimes people might have a little bit plaque on their teeth, built up bacteria on their tongue. So also make sure you brush your tongue because bacteria can build up on your tongue. And then also if you don't take care of your teeth, you know what that leads to? Stinky breath. So we have to always take care of our teeth, okay? Thank you so much for coming in today. I will see you in about 6 months. Bye.
Bye.